Welcome to your Active Blast application method. I'll be showing you how to use our Active Blast collagen balls during your bootcamp and sharing our exclusive collagen boosting and plumping face methods to enhance results. These Active Blast balls are encapsulated with a concentrated formula of purified vegan collagen for up to 90% more penetration into the skin upon application. When they are mixed with any water-based serum, they enhance cellular regeneration to fast-track the skin's repair process, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and create visibly smoother and firmer skin. Ready to start? Let's go. First, make sure your skin is clean and dry. Have your water-based serum to hand. I'm using the FaceGym Hydrobound Serum to maximize hydration. Pop out one of your Active Blast balls from your pack onto your palm and dispense 2 to 3 drops of your serum onto the ball and watch it dissolve. Mix the cocktail of collagen and hydration between your palms like this. Then apply your collagen-infused serum to your face and neck. We're going to start with some plucking to help plump out those nasolabial fold lines, stimulate that collagen production, and increase oxygenation to the area. With your left hand, support the skin just above your lip area. Take your thumb and index finger, then start gently plucking the skin and muscles around your nasolabial fold and lip area. Let me show you. Let's now do this back and forth a couple of times and pick up the pace. Okay, let's repeat on the opposite side. Follow along with me. To help encourage absorption and iron out lines, we're going to do some flicks in this area. Using the length of your index finger, press along the fold and then flick your finger outwards and upwards. You really want to feel the muscles bounce on this one. Using medium pressure, try turning your fingers at the same time. Let's do this 4 times. 3, 2, 1. Looking good. Let's move on to the forehead and work on those frontalis muscles to reduce the appearance of expression lines. Start in the center of your forehead using both hands. Press your 4 fingertips into the muscle with a medium to firm pressure and slide your fingers out toward your hairline. Aim to get at least 3 press and slides across your forehead. Let's do this 3 times. Press and slide. Press and slide. Press and slide. If you have deep expression lines, then you can also add this move to your routine. You may need a little more serum, I know I do, so take a couple of drops and apply to your forehead area. Take your 2 index fingers and using medium pressure, make mini semicircles in opposite directions simultaneously. Do this across your whole forehead area back and forth for 30 seconds. The friction you are causing is fantastic for stimulating your fibroblasts and increasing collagen production. It's a great move to plump out these lines. We're all done for day 1 of your bootcamp. Well done! Don't forget, come back tomorrow to keep up the good work. For plump and smooth results, follow this routine for 7 days. But if you want to increase the anti-aging benefits, then commit to the full 28-day bootcamp to help regenerate and remodel your collagen fibers to give your skin bounce and improve firmness.